A train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more here means plus. Suppose the train is traveling at a speed of 80 km per hour. वो कह रहे अगर ट्रेन की स्पीड 5 किलोमीटर मोर हो जाती, दैट मीन्स 80 + 5 85, it would have taken 1 hour less. It is obvious beta. When the speed of the train will increase, obviously the time taken will be less, and if the speed will decrease, the time taken will be more. Find the speed of the train. This is this is an interesting question. We shall take up 5-6 questions of the same kind back to back using the same concept. Please pay attention. So first of all, let us define the last statement. Let the speed of the train be x kilometer per hour. Alright. Now, this is my way of representation. You can take this down, you can take this work as a rough work. Children really find it useful. That is why I always mention like this. Suppose we have two cases. In the case 1, speed of the train is usual speed x kilometer per hour. Distance it will cover is 360 kilometer and it will take t1 time. Right? Now in case 2, the speed is increased as per the given condition. So x plus 5. Distance covered is still the same. Time is t2. Now it's common sense beta. Since the speed is increased in case 2, the time taken will be less. I am repeating. Speed is increased, so time taken will be less. So that means time 1 is greater than time 2. आपको first case में ज़्यादा time लगेगा than in case 2. So you have time 1 greater than time 2. Now from bigger you can always subtract smaller. लेकिन what is the difference in the times of these two cases? It is 1 hour. दोनों के टाइम का डिफरेंस 1 आवर है. आपको 1 आवर का डिफरेंस आएगा जर्नी में. राइट. सो वी हैव t1 minus t2 is equal to 1. And as we know, speed is distance upon time. So time will be distance upon speed. So here time is t1. As time is distance upon speed, distance in this case is 360. Speed is x. Time in this case is again distance upon speed, which is 360 upon x plus 5. So I have put the values. Alright. I can always take 360 common, and I would advise please do take the numerator common out. It will always simplify your calculations. So you are left with 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 5. In the bracket take LCM, x and x plus 5. What is the LCM? X into x plus 5 beta. It will be x plus 5, and here you will have x taking care of negative sign. Right? Now when you open the bracket, x and x will get cancelled. Right? I hope you know what I have done here. I am taking LCM like this. Something like this. LCM is AB. Denominator we divide, numerator we multiply. So AB divided by A gives you B, and B into 1 gives you B. AB divided by B gives you A, and A into 1 gives you A. That is what we have done here. Right? Now x and x cancel. You are left with 5. Multiply x into x, x square. X into 5, 5x. So in the numerator, 360 into 5 gives you 1800. X square plus 5x equal to 1. Yes beta? Cross multiplying. जब आप क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे x square plus 5x will be equal to 1800. Bring it here, it will be minus. अब एक चीज़ ध्यान दीजिए, आपको 1800 के फैक्टर्स बनाने हैं फॉर 5. दैट मीन्स यू वांट 2 नंबर्स जिनका डिफरेंस 5 हो. 1800 इज अ बिग नंबर. आई वुड सजेस्ट 18 और 100 आप अलग कर लीजिए. 18 इज फर्दर 9 and 2. 100 is 4 into 25. You may get a question in mind that why we didn't go for 10 into 10. Reason, I want 5 here. मेरे पास 5 है और 5 comes in the multiple of 5 only. तो मेरे को 25 ज़्यादा बेटर ऑप्शन लगा. Had you been taken 10 into 10, तो 10 को भी आप 2 into 5 फर्दर कर सकते थे. Right? 25 is 5 into 5. नाउ बेटा थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगाना पड़ेगा आपको. यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस अ बिट. You will see 2 into 4 into 5 in the circle. This makes it 40. And 9 into 5 gives you 45. So 45 minus, sorry. Wait. See. So we get 45 and 40 from here. So that makes it 45 minus 40. Taking common. From these two brackets, you can take minus 45 common. From here, we take x common. So, solving this, we get x is equal to 40 or x equal to minus 45. Now, as x is the speed and speed cannot be negative, so x equal to minus 45 not possible. So, the speed of the train is 40 km per hour. Again, beta, you can cross check. See here, you get your x to be 40. 360 upon 40. 9 and 40 plus 5 45. 360 upon 45 8. You can cross check. 9 minus 8 gives you 1. That means your answer is correct. Alright, thank you.